Hey everyone! Today we're making gimbap. Gimbap is a famous Korean dish. It looks like sushi, but there's a twist. We only use cooked ingredients and special Korean flavors. Gimbap is made with rice and yummy fillings, all rolled up in seaweed. It's super fun to make and super yummy. Ready to make some gimbap with me? Let's go! To make the best gimbap, we need the best ingredients. Let's grab everything. For the rice, you need cooked short-grain rice, sesame oil, salt, and toasted sesame seeds. For the fillings, you can use spinach, carrots, pickled radish, bulgogi, that's thinly sliced marinated beef, eggs, and more. To put it all together, you'll need dried seaweed sheets, called jim, and a bamboo rolling mat. Don't be afraid to use your favorite fillings. Now that we have everything, let's start making gimbap. Let's make gimbap together. Just follow these easy steps. First, we'll prepare the rice. Mix the cooked rice with sesame oil, salt, and sesame seeds. Let it cool down. Next, let's cook the fillings. Cook each filling separately. Sauté spinach and carrots with a little salt. Pan fry the bulgogi until it's cooked. Cook eggs into thin omelets and slice them into strips. Now, we can assemble the gimbap. Place a sheet of seaweed on the bamboo mat. Spread the rice evenly on the seaweed, leaving a small space at the top. Add your fillings in a line across the rice. Now roll it up. Carefully roll the gimbap away from you using the bamboo mat. Press gently to make a tight roll. Finally, cut and serve. Using a sharp knife, cut the gimbap into bite-sized pieces. Serve it with your favorite dipping sauce. See? Making gimbap is easy and fun. Now you can impress your friends and family with your awesome Korean cooking skills. Section 4. Gimbap tips. Be a gimbap master. Here are some tips to make your gimbap even better. Use warm rice for the best results. Don't overfill your gimbap. Wet your hands with water to prevent the rice from sticking. Experiment with different fillings to find your favorites. With practice, you'll be a gimbap master in no time. Section 5. Enjoy your gimbap anytime, anywhere. Gimbap is perfect for any occasion. It's great for picnics, lunch boxes, or even a quick snack. You can make gimbap ahead of time and keep it in the refrigerator. It's an easy and tasty meal that everyone will love. So what are you waiting for? Try making gimbap today. You won't regret it.